Hi, this is ARUNACHALAM. Today let us analyze the stock LT Foods Limited. So the company is doing great and the company has huge potential to grow higher, and this company is a good pick for long term. So we can consider this stock for long term. So currently in smaller time frames, the stock just gave a breakout and it's in a retracement right now. So now let's analyze the stock on technical basis. So the stock was listed around the price range of 5 and reached the price range of 100. So it's a fantastic rally from the price range of 5 to 100. After that the stock fell drastically till the price range of 20, and once again it stabilized around the price range of 20 and it started moving higher. So we can consider this as a bullish sign because the stock is moving higher and higher. So we can consider this as a bullish sign, and the stock shows a clear higher high and higher low formation. So this can be considered as a good bullish sign for the stock. So currently the stock after breakout, it's just taking a retracement. So one thing we should understand before entering the trade, because the overall market condition is very bad and the market is making a lower low formation. So currently the stock is bullish, but things may change over time. So just beware of macro issues before entering the stock to trade. So let's move to the weekly chart to analyze further. So this is the weekly chart of LT Foods Limited. So let me draw the trend line here. So this can be considered as a good trend line, and currently after hitting the trend line, the stock just started moving higher. And let me draw another trend line that governs the stock. So this can be considered as a good resistance trend line. So after a breakout, the stock started flying and reached the price range of 100. So after hitting the previous resistance zone, the stock once again started falling. So we can consider this as a good bearishness. So this can be considered as a bearishness in the stock, but the bearishness is only because of some other macro factors. But on an average, the stock looks bullish even now, and the current market price entry is fine. But one should have strict stop loss while trading in this market condition. So try having a strict stop loss and take entry, and the price range of 100 can be taken as a target once again, or else one can also consider the price range of 85 as a target, because the stock might move till the 50% retracement and then it may move lower. So this can also happen. So just consider the price range of 85 as a primary target for the stock, and one can consider taking current market price entry. So the target is around the price range of 85, and which is almost 13% upside. So 10 to 13% upside within a short term is fine, and the stock looks bullish for long term also. So one can consider going long in the stock for long term. So let me draw the trend line once again in the daily chart. But before moving to the daily chart, hit subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any ideas published in our channel, and join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description. In that group you can ask your doubts regarding any stock. We will be answering it as soon as possible. So this is a daily chart of LT Foods Limited. So this can be considered as a good trend line, and look at the price and reaction near the trend line. So after breakout here on March 30, the stock just moved higher and took a support near the trend line. So currently the stock is facing a good support near the price range of 75, which is again a trend line. So there is a change in polarity. So the trend line acted as a good resistance for the stock till the breakout, and currently the trend line acts as a support for the stock. So this can be considered as a good sign. So the price range of 85 can be taken as the most primary target in the stock, and the price range of 100 can be taken as a target in the bull case, and we can consider going long at current market price. So the stock is completely good for long term, and one can consider investing in the stock for long term. Just understand the financials of the company before entering the stock for long term, and the company has good profit CAGR and the sales is quite weak. So fundamentally the stock is looking good, and there is a low debt to equity ratio. It's almost 0.6. So we can consider going long in the stock for long term. The broader market should support the stock for making short term gains. The stock is bullish and one can go long in the stock for short term. So taking entry above the price range of 76 or 77 is advisable, and the price range of 85 can be taken as the most primary target, and the price range of 100 can be taken as the next target in the bull case. So taking entry for long term is fine, and we can ride the trend using the 200 exponential moving average in the stock. So finally the stock looks bullish for short and long term, so we can go long in the stock for short and long term. So that's all for today. If you like the video, hit like button, join us on Telegram, and finally thank you for watching our videos.